Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to uninstall the KB5062663 update from your Windows 11 PC. Let's get started. First, click on your Start menu, then select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click on Windows Update from the left-hand menu. Now, click on Update History. Scroll all the way down until you find the option called Uninstall Updates and click on it. In the list that appears, locate the KB5062663 update. Once you find it, click on it and then hit Uninstall. You'll be asked to confirm. Click Uninstall again to proceed. Wait for the process to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once it's done, go ahead and restart your PC to finish the process. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled the KB5062663 update on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes and tips. Thanks for watching.